Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix some Discord channels not showing problem. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Discord application and then we can choose a server on Discord. And for example, I'm going to choose the server, OpenAI server. And if you want to fix some Discord channels not showing problem, you can right click on the server and then you can select show all channels right here. And all the channels from this server will be shown up. And I hope that it will help you to fix some Discord channels not showing up on your Discord server. Okay, and on mobile phone, you can tap and hold on the server and then you will see this option and just check this option to fix your problem. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix some Discord channels not showing problem. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!